Good morning. Welcome back to the channel where we doing a 1% compound challenge starting with 10k, 1% each day. Today is day 19. Our equity is still hovering around 20k right now. Let's view a quick trade disclaimer and then do the BTC analysis for today. After that, I will quickly go over the accounts. So there's been a longer weekend, some holidays. I haven't been much on the charts and I haven't really updated a lot. So I'm gonna quickly go over everything I have on the charts, mute the mic for a second and then talk you through it. So see you in a bit.
I was overdrawn.
the sun won't shine.
I basically only have two ideas where this should go right now. And first of all, this is still a lower high compared to this one. And we made a lower low compared to that one. Also, this whole rise up yesterday was actually most of all shorts closing, and this could be classed as a short squeeze. Before I go on, yesterday in the morning I talked about I think we were here, and I said there was a potential CCV setup, and we actually got that one completely. I wasn't at the charts, but yeah, that one played out perfectly, even though I didn't trade for it. But since this was all short squeeze, I do think we need to retrace part of this price action. And since we also have an untapped pivot for today right here, we have a naked session point of control close to the CC of this move. But if we retrace right now, so basically how I am seeing this is we do have a CCV setup in the opposite direction today that would bring us all the way back close to the lows, if that is completed completely. For me, I think there are two options. Either we retrace to this naked point of control together with the CC, confirm that we want to stay above that daily. We build a higher low here, a higher low, yes. For then the move up, this would mean that this is the effect, this is the low for this next move, and then start building some bullish market structure. Or we complete a CCV setup completely, making a new low into that bigger CC, tap that weekly and that daily that is still there, for then the potential bounce. Kind of happy with these two scenarios. Then the question is, can it go up from here straight away? It always can happen, but I'm not really fond of that scenario right now, because we have still reasons to go revisit this. We are actually still in a range. We have built a higher low. That view up is holding us down. We tapped that daily. We also had a naked point of control right there. So it's pretty easy why we are stopping here right now. Still in the value areas of this range. Value area low of that range will also be close to that CC. Yeah, this is how I will approach this today. I will look for a move down, see the reaction around 39.7 to 39.3. If there is a good setup, then I will take a long on Bitcoin over there, and otherwise I will be looking for a new low, tapping that daily, and I will be looking for the region 37.7 to maybe swing failure in this poor low with the trend line, with the triangle. And that will all, both of them will be dependent on how the order flow is going. If we don't get this move down, then I am happy to do nothing and wait for a back test of this daily. Let's say that it moves up from here, probably will squeeze a lot, and then I will look for a back test of this daily for next move up. And that daily would also be backtesting the value area high of this range, the VWAP. So I would gladly let it squeeze and then buy another retracement if we don't get the move down. That's how I'm going to approach Bitcoin. What I did do is, because this might retrace here, and this is my preferred scenario, that it retraces here and then we have bullet market structure. That's why I am ready to take some longs on a lot of different altcoins as well. And I actually started already with very small positions, so I would love to double down, maybe triple down when it comes to that CC. For the rest, not much has changed, so I think you know the plan for Bitcoin, and basically the alts will follow whatever Bitcoin does in the majority of the alts. So when we get that higher low, I will probably just long the markets and get into a lot of different alts. I hope you understand this. Sorry that the video is taking so long already, and have a good day.